What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Reds channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing 4 new Reds Foco bobbleheads I got in today in the mail. Start off with the Elly Cruz ice cream helmet Foco player bobblehead. Let's dive on into this one, check it out. Super hyped on getting all these ones in today. 4 brand new ones for the collection. Out here. All right. Here's the base. Ice cream base with the Reds logos, Elly Cruz, number 16 of 125. Here's the ice cream helmet. Looking good, looking clean. That's so sick. That's so cool. Great detail. Even with the spoon and the ice cream as well. So sick. Go ahead and get this ice cream helmet on the base here. There's that. Here's the bobble itself. Elly with the both spoons. The home white Reds uniform, looking good. De La Cruz 44. Super sick. Get this on the base real quick. All right. There it is, 2025, Elly Cruz. These are from last season. It's releases coming in still. So 2025 Elly Cruz ice cream helmet, Sunday Foco Reds bobblehead, number to 125. Looking good. Number 1 of 4. Let's go ahead with the Elly theme here and dive on into this next one, the medium big head. Still on base counter, medium big head. Here's the base, super sick. Got Elly running right there, Elly de la Cruz, got the stolen base counter right there. And then Reds logos, smokestacks, fire coming out of the smokestacks, 44 on the sides. Got number 43 of 225. 43 of 225. Super sick. Looking good. Here's the bobble itself. Medium, mini, big head. Looking good, looking clean. The Reds alternate script jersey. I like the size of big head actually. It's pretty cool. Something different than the mini or the big head. Regular size big heads. Alright. There's that. Get this on the base here. Check it out. This one's a little tougher to on here, but get this right. See here. There we go. Do it that way. Alright, there it is. 2025 Elly de la Cruz medium big head bobblehead, stolen base counter. Foco Reds bobblehead. Player bobble looking sick in the running motion. Super dope. Number to 225. Super hyped on that, on those so far. Alright, let's dive into this next one here. Number 3 of the 4 that came in today. Alright. Slide this on here. Alright, here's the Elly de la Cruz Game Breaker bobblehead from his performance against the Rangers last April. Looking super sick. 331-25, 2 home runs, 7 RBI game. Number 20 of 96, only number out of 96. Got the Reds logo with the bat and stuff. Looking super sick. Alright, there's the bat. Alright, let's go ahead and get this off here. Check it out. Okay. There it is. Got the Elly in the swinging motion. The home uniform. With the face mask up because it was cold that day in April. It's a cold night. Looking sick. Love that detail on it. Home white uniform. All the Elly stuff on as usual. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this on the base here. Check it out. Let's see. All right, there we go. Get this dialed in here into the base. All right, there we go. Get the bat in his hand. All right, there it is, 2025 Elly Cruz Game Breaker bobblehead from 3/31/25 against the Texas Rangers. 2 home runs, 7 ribbies that game performance. Looking so sick, so clean, super hyped on it. Great additions to the collection. One more to go here. Dive on into this one. This one here, we got the Chase Burns MLB debut bobblehead. Look at this, super sick. Here's the base. Reds rookie debut, 26. Chase Burns, first starting pitcher in the expansion era to strike out his first 5 batters facing his MLB debut, June 24th, 2025. I was at this game against the Yankees. Walked it off in 11 innings with Gavin Lux to walk off the Yankees that night. Innings pitched 5, strikeouts 8, super sick detail. Number 45 of 125. Alright, here's the bobble itself. Chase Burns, rookie debut, MLB debut bobblehead. Super sick in the Reds home white uniform. Super hyped on it. Hyped on all 4 of these coming in today. Great bobblehead mail day. Get on the base here and check the last one out here. All right. So got about like 7 more coming in from last season. So we'll have coming in eventually. All right, there it is, 2025 Chase Burns, MLB debut, Cincinnati Reds Foco player bobblehead, rookie debut bobble. Super sick, super clean. Love the base and the detail. Number to 125. Great 4 additions to the collection. Super hyped on them. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, check out the next one here soon, and go Reds.